Welcome back. In our study of data types, we are starting with the most common and fundamental type, numeric types. These types are used to store numbers, whether they are whole numbers or numbers with decimal points. Python has three primary numeric types, but we'll focus on the two, int for integers and float for floating point numbers. Let's jump into VS Code and see these in action. 1. The integer type int. An integer or int is a whole number, positive or negative, without a decimal point. One helpful built-in function we can use to confirm the type of any variable is the type function. Let's print the type of our student count variable. See how Python confirms that student count is of class int. A powerful feature of Python is that its integers have unlimited size. They can grow as large as your computer's memory allows, which is a major difference from many other programming languages that have size limits on their integer types. 2. The floating point type, float. A floating point number, or float, is a number, positive or negative, that contains a fractional part, typically represented with a single decimal point. Let's check the type of temperature. This confirms the type is float. Notice the last example, bank_balance equals 1000.00. Even though the value is technically a whole number, the presence of the decimal point, .00, makes Python treat it as a float. 3. Basic arithmetic. You can perform all standard arithmetic operations on these numbers. Notice something important here. Even though 7 and 2 are integers, the division operator always produces a float result in Python. If you specifically want the whole number part of the division, you use the floor division operator 2/. This operator throws away the decimal part, giving you an int result. So, to summarize, int for whole numbers which are unlimited in size and float for decimals. Keep them straight as they form the foundation for all quantitative work in Python. Our next lecture, 3.3, Complex, Binary, and Hexadecimal Types. I'll see you there.